Hey girl, hey! Today we're testing out more TikTok hacks. But today we're not just testing out TikTok hacks, we are testing out all food TikTok hacks. Can we also acknowledge the fact that TikTok brought life hacks back to life? Like actually, because they were like literally dead. Like TikTok really did that. Can TikTok please bring slime back? I'm just kidding. Every time I do a TikTok life hack video where I try these out, a lot of them are food related. There is so many different food related hacks. It's not healthy. It's just not healthy for me to be on there because they all look so dang good and I want to try them all. So today I decided I'm doing a full video testing out TikTok food hacks. And without further ado, let's get to grubbing. Okay guys, so this first one I'm really excited because it includes food. Well, hold on girl. This whole video is about food. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So this TikTok is a pancake sausage casserole. At first I didn't know how to feel about it because I love sausage, I love pancakes, I love breakfast, but like baking it together, I think it's gonna be good, but I'm a little skeptical. Let's try it out. Just as the TikTok shows, we went to Dollar Tree, and just because I don't know, you don't need to, but maybe it's you know, saving some coin, and you can make it using ingredients from the Dollar Tree, which is cool. You're making pancakes, but you're throwing in sausage, and you're not making it on the pan. It's a little different. We made our sausages. Oh, they look so good. First things first, we're gonna chop these up.
They look like little poops. She's got a knife. Watch out.
Two of these. Yeah. 1.5 cups of water. Next up is 1/2 cup of syrup. I've never ever made pancake batter with syrup in it, but it sounds like an amazing idea. We're gonna mix it up. It smells like a Bath and Body Works candle. Okay, we need some. Bam! So now we just pour it. Lastly, we're just gonna sprinkle in our sausage. You guys, this looks pretty gross right now that I'm looking at it. I know it's gonna be bomb, but Jesus. Lastly, you're supposed to pop this in the oven for 12 minutes at 450.
Oh, it smells good.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, look at that. Wow, that smells good. We're gonna check this out to see if it's ready. Oh no. Dang. We popped it into the oven. We're gonna let it bake for a little bit longer because it's not ready yet. So maybe 5 minutes-ish. I don't know. Let's check up on this again. So it looks ready. So now that that's done, we're gonna put some pancake syrup on this. Lastly, the TikToker adds some powdered sugar, so we're gonna do that. Just sprinkle it on. It's definitely good. It's a little mushy on the inside. Interesting because I actually like my pancakes mushy a little bit on the inside. I will say it's really good. Like if my mom made this when I was a kid, I'd be like, girl, this is amazing. As an adult, like it's too much sweetness going on.
That's pretty good.
It's a lot of syrup for me. Like it's too mushy. But a slice of this on the side of my breakfast, amazing. Okay, this next one, I feel like this is an actual life hack if you don't know about it. And I feel like there is a lot of people that also don't know about this because I know my mom, like she'd be shredding chicken by hand. You use the forks. Sometimes you get in there with your hands. It's hot. It takes forever. I saw them doing a hand mixer. And also putting it in a small mixer. So we're gonna try this out, and if this works, hold up, where's my phone? I need to send this to my mom. So we boiled some chicken. All right, let's get into it. Girl. Hold on, I'm going too quick. Okay, hold on. Pro tip, use a bowl that's a little bigger, because you are gonna have some flying chicken. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hold up. Okay, first of all, this is literally like 30 seconds and it's almost completely shredded. If you have not tried this, please stop wasting your time shredding it by hand, y'all. This is it. This is where it's at. I'm never shredding chicken by hand again, period. All right, you guys, this next one is really exciting to me because this is how to make, okay, it depends if you know what this is. If you're like Latino, then you're gonna know what it is. These are chicharrones slash churros. I don't know exactly what the names are for these because I call them churros, chicharrones. They're basically these little wheels. So typically you would fry these in oil, and nobody wants to like fry stuff because then it starts jumping at you and you get like a burn, kind of like when you're making bacon. This could be a really convenient hack if it works. Apparently you just soak these in oil and then pop them in the microwave and that's it. We got about this much. I'm only doing a little bit because these get they get pretty big. They get big. Soak them up with some oil. So we're gonna let that soak up and then put them onto a paper towel on top of our plate. Now we're gonna put them in the microwave. We're gonna do 2 minutes. It doesn't say how long. Yeah, we're gonna do 2 minutes and just like watch it. So. No. Holy crap, bro, it's working.
Ooh, it's starting to burn.
Oh no!
Extra crispy.
Some of them burnt on the middle, so what I'm gonna do is, ouch, that was hot. We put them on the outer corner, we're gonna pop them back in. I can't believe this works. Like, this is dangerous for me, because now I'm gonna be popping these like popcorn. Okay, so these are not getting too big like the ones I'm used to. I'm gonna go ahead and make another batch and pop them in the microwave for 3 minutes straight, or 2.5 minutes-ish, because I was taking these out, putting them back in. I don't know if that affected them like with growing and finishing up, but they're still pretty crunchy. 67 cents for about a week's worth of munchies. Second round, here we go. This is a great fast snack. So this is round 2. We put them in the microwave for 4 minutes. This is what they came out like. Alex is gonna try these for the first time ever.
I like the lime a lot.
Definitely try these out, you guys. This is gonna be my new midnight snack. They're really good. Next up, we have a Krispy Kreme hack. We got some donuts this morning, and let me tell you the little story. This did not work for us, okay? We went to, well, we as in Alex. So Alex tested this out. She went to 2 different Krispy Kremes.
Give me the squeaker! Give me the squeaker!
So Alex actually went to 2 different Krispy Kremes to really test this out, and basically this hack says that if you go to Krispy Kreme and you ask them for the mutant donuts, which is basically like the ones that kind of like got deformed and like formed together, are not perfect donuts. When they're frying the donuts, sometimes they merge together, which makes complete sense. I'm like, oh my gosh, there has to be some imperfect donuts in there, right? I think this is really cool if it works, because if it works for you, because you get different shapes and you might get more for your buck if they merge together. And I'm kind of bummed out because 2 of these Krispy Kremes did not do it. They actually explained that they were not allowed to give them out. I'm gonna insert the clips right here of Alex asking 2 different locations if we could get some mutant donuts.
Mess up donuts when they come in hot. I was wondering if that's a possibility.
So you want to actually take the bad one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We can't do that? Oh, okay.
So I can't tell you something that's undercooked and then you get sick or something. You know, just for
Okay. Well,
legal
dang.
reasons. Yeah.
Alright, well thanks anyway.
So hack failed for us. I'm not sure if every single Krispy Kreme would fail with this or if some of them would work, but I'm assuming it wouldn't work because it does make sense. They don't want to risk selling you something that's undercooked. Although it's kind of sucks because all those mutant donuts are going in the trash. Like, what? Okay, this next hack, this one is an Oreo Mug Cake. You put Oreos Cheetos in a mug. You crush them up, add some milk, pop it in the microwave, and you have a mug cake. I'm confused. Let's try this out. The TikToker took about 3 Oreos, put them in the mud.
In the what?
In the mud.
It said, I thought you said mud.
In the mud. I mean, oh my god. You put them in the mug. Da, 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 da. And now it's time to add some milk. Adding some milk.
Mix her up.
Oh, hopefully that's fine. Oh yeah,
it looks good.
She doesn't say exactly how much milk to add, but you want a batter consistency, I'd assume. 30 seconds in the microwave. Let's see if it worked. Something happened.
Yeah.
You guys, I think it worked. You know what? TikTok impresses me every single day. It smells really good.
It's like an Oreo brownie.
Yeah. Are you kidding me?
Is it over?
This is literally a cake. It's a freaking cake. It's literally cookie crushed up with milk in it, and it makes a cake.
How is anybody supposed to lose weight in this world if that exists?
If you have a cake craving, you got some Oreos and some milk, you can make a cake right now in 30 seconds. Okay, so for this hack, we're gonna make some popcorn with a hair straightener. I don't think anybody would actually use this. Like, there's literally no reason at all. Why would you want to pop every kernel individually with a straightener? I think this is literally one of those things that it just looks like a cool viral TikTok, but like nobody would actually do this. It's not really convenient at all. I don't think it would work. So, oh, yeah, girl. I'm literally just gonna place it on my strainer and do this. I'm scared. Girl, my hand's getting tired. What's going on?
I think we're, ooh, it happened.
So this definitely works. It does take like, I don't know what, like a minute for it to pop. That it works, it works. Is it stupid? Yes. Like if you really don't have a microwave, you have leftover pizza. Alright y'all, this next one is basically DIY Dunkaroo Dip. Gen Z, anybody born in this generation has no idea what I'm talking about. I actually barely even remember what Dunkaroos were. And I still don't fully remember it, but the kangaroo looks familiar. TikTok basically just gives you a good recipe for some Dunkaroo Dip. And what we're gonna do is funfetti cake, 1 whole pack. So we eyeball some Ready Whip. Gonna mix this up. Ooh. We're using Teddy Grahams because Dunkaroos actually don't exist anymore. Can somebody comment down below if you've ever heard of Dunkaroos? Like, do you know what they are? Dunk some Teddies.
Got him, so cute.
Try it out. Oh, 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 oh. They're good. You know what it tastes like? Dipping Teddy Grahams and it's really just dipping Teddy Grahams in cake batter. That's what it tastes like to me. I don't care for it. What do you think, girl?
It's good.
They're good, right? I feel like Alex likes them. Do you like them?
I fucking love it.
I like them. They're good. Alex loves them. I do have a sweet tooth, but with a snack, I prefer to make something savory. I'm screaming.
I wonder what would happen if we put this in a mug and put it in the microwave.
Wait, you could actually make a TikTok. You should make a TikTok.
Follow TikTok.
Oh my god, I think you actually should. You guys go follow Alex on TikTok. I'm not excited about this next one because it involves pickles. It does involve something that I love, which is hot Cheetos. This is basically just like crushed up Cheetos with pickles.
It's basically hot Cheeto crusted pickles.
Like a super fast, easy food combination. Hot Cheetos and pickles. You know, pickles is one of those things to me that looks really good, but I don't like it. So we're gonna go ahead and crush these up. I used to like doing this in general and just eating the Cheetos by themselves. Like dust, the Cheeto dust. Some Cheeto dust. Oh my god, wait, how the heck do you open a pickle jar?
Oh, there you go.
Start dumping them in. I hate pickles. Like, I don't just dislike pickles. All right.
I feel like that's the longest a pickle has ever been in your mouth.
Wait, I'm so confused. Do I like pickles? What the hell? Oh my god, I'm so confused. Wait, is it because it has hot Cheetos that I like it? I hate pickles. Okay guys, I'm really excited for this next one because it's something savory. We have some McDonald's fries, you guys, and we're really excited. All of us are pretty excited to eat, right guys?
Yes.
I love how like everyone's so involved in this video. Okay, so this is buffalo fries. It is a hack that we saw on TikTok. So you need some fries. And you put them in the bag. It might be for like on the go, so let's get into it. We're gonna dump our fries into our bag. We need a few different sauces. So we need ranch and spicy buffalo sauce. You just dump them in. So this is what we got going on so far. Now we're gonna shake her up. Okay, they're feeling a little soggy. So these are lightly coated. I don't know how much you guys can see. They smell good. And you know what? You guys are pretty good. But I will say, I don't like my fries soggy. I personally, I'm never doing this again. So I guess it's like a fail, but it wouldn't be a fail for other people. Like, it depends how you like your fries, because I don't like them soggy. So this is basically sweet tea from McDonald's, and we're gonna add in some creamer. I saw this hack a few times on TikTok. I actually generally, I'm not like a crazy fan of like sweet tea. It's bomb, but I'm more of a Coke girl. First of all, I wanna try this on its own. Maybe I'm missing out on some bomb sweet tea from McDonald's, I don't know. See, it's good, but it's not my cup of tea. Oh my god. Let's try it out. Ooh. This is the thing, like I'm not a huge fan of sweet tea, but milk tea, I love. I like this. I'm not gonna drink it every day, but if you're a really, really big fan of tea and milk tea in general, this could be your go-to. This is good. Approved. That's it for these TikTok food hacks. Can I just say, I have a little bit of a sugar rush right now, girl. I need some water. I need to go for a walk. It's not gonna happen, but I really should go. Wow, these were actually so good. Like all these were bomb. Click that like button for TikTok. TikTok, we love you, girl or boy. We love TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.